Well, today is Sunday the 26th, I believe, and there have been storm warnings and high wind advisories for the weekend for this area of Nevada. Didn't really get that much in this location because I've got this mountain range just to the east of me, or excuse me, to the west of me. Yeah, I know which direction I'm facing. It's west. Ain't that just lovely? Well, you can kind of see the fog rolling in over the mountain here. I'm going to pan over this way. I've been taking pictures and video of this particular side south of me because it still had snow on top. But right now, you can barely even see that there's any snow up there. A couple of minutes ago, I heard what sounded like a couple of drops of rain hitting my trailer. In general, though, considering everything I'm watching on the weather, this is a pretty good spot. It's really blocked from the way the weather's rolling in, because the storms come in from the west, going to the east, and I got the mountain range right here. So even though I've had a good bit of wind, it's not as heavy, sustained wind that you'd get if you were in a big, flat, open area. Now, if the wind were coming out of the north or coming out of the south, that might be a bit different, because it might get in here and become, I forget what the word, there's a word for it, but it basically might get funneled in here along this lake. But right here, it's really not too bad. I just felt a raindrop. And when I come around the side of my trailer, I'm into the wind a little bit. But it's not too bad. Well, it's about 3:40 in the afternoon. And it's been raining now for about an hour. Raining. Yeah. Right. Well, I guess you could say it's raining. Since I've been in the desert since last December, I haven't really seen a whole lot of rain, so I guess you could call it rain. I guess if I drew a square on the ground, 1 foot by 1 foot, I could measure how many raindrops are falling. I can kind of hear it coming down, just because it's hitting things, my trailer, my chair, but not really raining. I still have trouble getting used to the whole idea of rain in other parts of the country and what that actually means. I don't know if the microphone will even pick this up, but it's raining. I can feel a drop on my hand. I can't see them. I can hear them. Oh well, ain't that just lovely? Alright. I'm out of here. It's time to go grab a beer.